DaVinci Resolve for noobs.
Roel left a comment saying when he tries to generate proxy media, he gets a notification saying that his proxy generation failed and wants to know what that means. Well, as a lot of you know, I always recommend using proxy media if you're having any kind of performance issues with DaVinci Resolve. You can open up your project settings, and under the master settings, you can scroll down and you can decide the resolution that you want your proxies to be made at. You can decide the file format, but even if you set it at half, an H.264, you can immediately see a performance difference. If I go up to playback, scroll down to proxy handling, and prefer the camera originals, you can see the system resources being used by DaVinci Resolve, especially my processor. It's ranging anywhere from 12 to 18% depending on where it is in the project. Just by going up to playback and deciding to prefer the proxies instead, now look at how significantly the system resources have been decreased just by using proxies. It makes it so much easier for my system to run this project. But as Roel said, when he right-clicks on his footage, goes down to proxy media and generates proxy media, it might start generating that media, but then he's met with this message, that his proxy generation failed. And the reason for that is pretty simple. If you open up your project settings and you scroll down to working folders, you can see where your proxy generation location is. This is the folder and drive on your system where it will be storing these proxy media files. And if that drive happens to be full and doesn't have a lot of available space, your proxies will fail. All you need to do is clean out some of the files from the drive you're trying to create proxies onto so you can create more space, or choose another drive that might actually have some space available. Do that and you'll have no problem successfully creating proxy files.